SOGO, so clean, so good. Is it?
Let's find out.
I don't know. They have pirates, they have butterfly, they have gym, oceanarium. I think we should just see what they have and then...
All over the Philippines, you see signs for a motel chain called SOGO, so we decided to check it out. They claim to be so clean, so good, but are they? They only had one of the fancy rooms available, but the woman at the front desk didn't know which one it was.
The only one.
Okay.
She doesn't know which one it is.
Oh, okay. Lucky dip, I guess.
No full gas. Wait lang mama. They have to check.
Okay.
RG.
Oh my god, I gotta get a t-shirt. Yeah, we have to.
Ano lang? Books. Oh, there's nothing but books.
Oh, that's disappointing. Alright, thank you.
They sell different merch, but unfortunately, they didn't have any available. We also tried at other SOGOs after this, and they also didn't have any. It seems to be very popular. They gave us a number to wait for our room.
Japanese theme only.
Alright, well, let's just do it.
They only had the Japanese theme room available, so we went with that.
So before you even enter the room, you have this. You got a cabinet to put stuff, I guess. Then as we enter the room, you can see very clearly this red thingy. Now these rooms do smell good, so you can smell that they've cleaned it. You get a set of towels, it's in a plastic bag, and a soap. Alright, let's start here first. You actually have a bathtub and a jacuzzi and a shower. Toilet that's been sanitized. No junk in the thing. So far, there's significantly not as much. Is there a proper light or not?
I think this is the light. I don't know, but there's a light.
There doesn't seem to be proper lights. Wow, that is a cool look though. Look at me in this. What about this? No. No, that just turns the power off. That looks cool.
Oh, this one, there's a lot of
Oh yeah.
mood 1.
What's mood 2?
Mood 2 is without that. Mood 3 is... I
That?
think mood 2 is this. What's mood 1?
Oh, no, it's the side ones.
Where?
Over there. You can't see it.
That's mood 1.
Yeah.
It's mood 2. Mood 3.
Hang on, you just turned something off. Turn that back on. That's that.
Three.
There, that.
Then mood 4 is that.
Under the bed.
Yeah, under the bed.
Ooh, they even have samurai swords. That's pretty cool. Yeah, not real, obviously. Now you do get a mirror above the bed so you can see what's going on from underneath.
Oh.
We see, look, it's us. You do get some information on how that's done. There is a massive hole in the thing. I mean, I guess, whatever. If we don't serve your food and beverage orders within 10 minutes, I'm gonna walk this menu into the bathroom where we can actually see what's going on. So it's free because we serve hot and fresh to our guests. You can get 3 bottles of beer and 1 bite of your choice for 360 pesos only. Otherwise, you can get Korean rice bowls for only 175 pesos. Beef bulgogi, iced tea, and they even include, with the menu, a bottle opener, which is a handy inclusion, as most people would know who've stayed in hotels where... Now, what is this? Personal care kit. Oh, I just dropped it. You do get 2 free bottles of water as well. They gave us when we came to
Brush.
a comb.
And then a toothpaste.
Ooh,
And it's
shampoo.
Second
Shampoo. Okay, so far, there's nothing under the beds, nothing here. You got the view of Japan over here. You got the Japanese women. Now this is a weird but interesting addition to the room. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. I'm not exactly sure what you're meant to do with this. You're meant to go like that, or you're meant to get on, ride the pole. I'm always stuck in the seat. Yeah, I don't know what that's meant to do, but it is a thing. I guess it's just decorations. You got this person here who looks like they're pleasuring themselves in the background. She looks like she's farting towards them. She looks like she's touching the feet of the other one. A little bit of foot stuff going on here. She looks like she's encouraging it and cheering it on. These two look like they're showing each other their asses. There's a little bit of blindfold play there. for a little bit of humiliation, I guess. And they're hiding behind the thing. Push to open. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. If you really want to.
Small window.
Yeah, it's a small window to the outside. We got the giant fan thing up here on this side. You like the mirror?
Yeah.
Now beside the bed we have a proper menu. Let's see what's on the menu for today. Reasonably fast food, I guess. Local favorites, a la carte, soups, vegetables, rice bowls.
Their food is actually not too bad.
Yeah, their food actually looks decent. Beers, not too bad. They have a slippers here, which are cleaned and sanitized for your protection. They also have a security deposit box if you bring someone into the room that you're not exactly comfortable with. One thing I like about this place is all over the place they have things about complaints and suggestions, and they're constantly asking for feedback. I think they actually go out of their way to ensure this place is clean and want to know actually if there are issues. So the remote is tied to the bed.
No, it's like there.
Under the bed, okay?
Oh yeah.
So let's turn the TV on and see what's on. Now they have on the home page of their TV is a picture of the foyer. So let's see what else they have. They're getting warnings that their TV cable hasn't been paid and will be turned off 2 days ago, so it does appear that they may not have paid for their cable bill. It's another fun thing I've only seen in the Philippines, where you stay in places or visit places that haven't paid their cable bill or their internet bill, and for whatever reason you get these messages, which is pretty funny. But I mean, who's staying here to watch the cable TV, really? So if you disconnect the TV, there's gonna be an alarm going off, which would be a fun experience. Now it's time for the moment of truth that we've all been waiting on. The big reveal. Is this going to be clean? Now, this is a place where most people don't check the clean. Okay. Truth be told, it seems clean.
That side.
Pillows seem better, they're for these kind of pillows. There is one wrapper there.
Yeah, there is.
Okay, so it hasn't fully passed the test, but it definitely...
Wait, a bit more. There's some more there.
Okay, we'll open from the other side. Let's go around.
I don't know if it's just the hole or what.
There was a hole there.
Maybe it's just the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the hole.
Okay.
So there's only
So
one.
only one wrapper that's better than used clothes we've found so far, and let's face it, that's probably the cleanest we've stayed in of these love hotels. I'm sure if you go to even a regular hotel, you're gonna find some weird stuff under the mattress, because I realized no one checks under the mattress. They'll remake the bed, but I don't think, ooh. And most people aren't ever gonna check and know what's under the mattress either, so. Yeah. Now for the moment of truth. The bed is comfy. Very comfy, you gotta give me the thing. You gotta see this view from here. Look at this. Wait, we should... The only thing I don't like is that it's off-center. It'd be better if this circular mirror was direct, but I mean, I guess you're probably not worrying about the angles. I mean, if you worry about the cinematography of them, then you probably got problems. And so if you're doing it in real life and worrying about the cinematography of your real life session, you probably have bigger problems. We're nearly done here and pull one and we just realized this was a shoe.
Slipper.
Slightly big, but you know, it'll do.
It's a slipper, it's not a shoe.
Close enough. Same category.
I can't remember what they call it.
So the bathroom is pretty cool. They have jacuzzi with 2 seats, so you can sit in there and enjoy it. They also have a proper shower, which is better than most places we've looked at. So even regular hotels here, most regular hotels don't have this level of bathroom, even the size, so that's pretty cool. You got more signs about cleaning, etc. Alright, so what do you think of this place?
It's the best motel that we've been to so far. Isn't it? It's cleaner.
There you go. As she said, this is by far the cleanest we've been to. They genuinely do seem to clean everything, and yeah. Even the decor and everything is nice. It's like a massive step up. Definitely our best love motel in the Philippines we've seen so far. So we'll keep trying to find even better. Well, goodbye for now, sweet Japanese room. Good night and goodbye. I want to say also that we would have chosen a different room, but this was the only one that was available. They also sold out of their merchandise, which is sad because it's pretty cheap for a t-shirt, only 75 pesos. So that means that we're obviously gonna have to go search out other ones, find some merch, find some other themes, and let's go. Oh, and even in this room for your security, you can actually look prior to letting people in this thing. So you can have your partner tied up neat in that room, and then you get your food here without anyone having to see you. In any event, on that note, this has been SOGO, so clean, so good. Is it? Yes, it is actually, so there we go. If you enjoyed this, chuck me a like and subscribe. It really helps out with the algorithm. And if you have somewhere else you want us to review, let me know in the comments. And if you want to check out some of the other love motels that Philippines has to offer, click here or here. Trust me, some of these will blow your mind. And some of the stuff we're referencing is because we found some wild stuff in some of these ones.